Hi guys.
To our channel.
Welcome to our channel. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Welcome to the Wooddoors Hub. Hi guys. Thank you for our 2,000 million subscribers. Thank you for your vlog.
For watching our vlogs.
For watching our vlogs. So press and please give us 100 million dollar like, so that we will end up a new video. But bye guys, but Banana Bear, stay shoot, bye bye.
Dahil holiday ngayon guys, dito sa amin, ito nakapag-park kami. Yung aking anak gusto daw mag-stand. Yan. Yan, nandito na siya. Oh my God. Wow. Good job.
Why say wow?
Ang kaming bus stop. Ito yung aming neighborhood. Ayan. Sa 1 kilometer to na park. Yung sa dulo. Doon hanggang doon sa kabilang side. Hanggang sa dulo nito. 1 kilometer din ito guys. Ayan. Mag-i-stand daw siya. Ready, set, go! Oh. Oh. Aming daddy ay tulog. Tulog ang aming daddy kasi magdamag na nag-fishing. Yan, marami ding nakahiga sa park. Sarap kasi yung tumambay guys. Siesta. Tambay-tambay lang. Say hi! Papasyal ko kayo sa aming mga kapitbahay. Neighborhood namin. Ay, Diyos ko ang aking anak. Ayan, 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 ayan. Sige, magpakasaya ka dyan. Walang problema yan. Ang aming mga kapitbahay dito guys ay 24 hours walang tulugan. Ayan. Kasi ito ay commercial and residential area. Aside from that, dinadaanan dito ng mga airplane. Doon yung daanan ng airplane. Kaya yung mga building na dito, hindi ganun kataas. Itong area na to yan. Magkaka-same ng size. Yan. Magkaka-height lang yan sila lahat. Hanggang 4th floor. Yan. Yun. May instant park na kami. Yan. Yung aming building. Ayan. Tapos, malayo to guys. Dulo ng dulo. Tatakbuhin mo to siguro mga 45 minutes. 30 minutes kung mabilis ka. 45 minutes kung medyo dahan-dahan ka. Walkathon. Meron dyan. Hypermarket, supermarket. Yan. Ang kagandahan dito sa amin, guys. Ano to? Alam mo yung mga grocery stores. Ayan. Magkakatabi-tabi ang mga grocery stores namin dito. Ay, yung supermarket ay yung store. Tapos, nandyan yung building namin. Ito yung building namin. Yan ang aeroplano. Ayan, daanan kasi ito na aeroplano. Nandyan lang siya, tumatawag pa rin kami guys for delivery. At napakasipag nilang mag-deliver. Yes.
Follow me.
Why? What you gonna do? Why? What?
Oreo.
Huh?
Oreo.
What you gonna do with the Oreo?
I'll eat it.
How much is that? How much is the Oreo?
59.
Can I see?
Mommy, the Oreo $61.
How come 61? That is 61%. $14.95. Nag-park, natulog, napagod. Ayan.
I almost crashed to the flower, right, Mommy? What?
Which one?
The blue one, this one, oh, see?
What's that? That is not blue.
That's blue.
Bagong tanim pa lang siya, kakaano pa lang nila. Alam mo yung natulog ka, pagising mo, iba na naman ang flowers nila. Kasi tinatanggal nila, tapos preserve. Pagising mo, bagong flower na naman sila. Kakalagay lang nila, I think, ano lang, the other day.
Guys, thank you everybody for watching my video. Bye. And so, subscribe in our video and click subscribe in our video and press that
Look at
You
him.
guys, don't forget to link and subscribe in our video, and also press that and hit and punch that thumbs up button. Bye bye. Let's go now.
Bye-bye like that.
Goodbye, but remember.